How to add click to call button in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or install click to call button in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can navigate to the edit theme here. This one, you can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So I'm gonna add the click to call button in my homepage, let's say. So I'm gonna add here. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template tab. Click that section, and then you can search custom liquid. This one, click on it. And then you have to put the code here. So in order to get the code, you can visit elfsite.com, this one. And then you can sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here. And then you will find a lot of widgets. Now you can scroll down until you find click to call, this one. Click on it. As you can see, you can create widget for free. You can click on it. And now you can choose the style, like this, maybe like this, or like this. It's up to you. So let's say I want like this. Then you can click continue. And now you can set it up. You can put your phone number, and then you can, change the button. And you can custom the position, maybe in the right, in the left, or in the center. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose in the right side of my website, and you can customize other things here, the styles and others. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish here, and then you can pick a plan. I'm gonna choose the free one. And as you can see, you will get the code. Now you can click copy code and go back to your website editor and then paste the code here. And then you can wait few seconds until it's appear in your website. And as you can see, it appears if you click it, and it will appear like this. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.